In this video, I'm going to talk about a simple and best affiliate marketing strategy that everyone can do it without investing any money or any experience. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide from the top to bottom. All the tools which I'm going to use in this video is completely free, or some of them paid, but you can use an alternative version if you want, guys. Now, so what you have to do, watch the video until the end, and if you really like the video, in the end of the video, leave a like on the bottom of the video. Let's jump into the video, guys. So when you come into affiliate marketing, you need to provide value for affiliate marketing. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna build a simple review site for all the affiliate product that you want to promote. Again, we're going to use a free site to build our affiliate review site without paying anything. I'm going to show you how to create content for that site and how you can promote it and how you can get the traffic and everything. So watch the video until the end. First, what you have to do, go to ClickBank or any affiliate network, that is Digistore24, any affiliate network, or CPA marketing. In this case, you can apply the same strategy. What you have to do, you have to pick an niche. In this case, I'm going with a niche, make money online, in particularly affiliate marketing. So I'm going to build entire site using Google site. That you can say, go to Google and type Google site, and you can create a free account with it. I'm going to use this site to build promote a entire affiliate marketing offers from ClickBanks, and I'm gonna write a simple review for that. So you can see this is a basic site. I already write a review for one product here. So what you have to do, I'm gonna show you how you can do that very simply. So what you have to do, go to ClickBank and find a product. You can see this is affiliate marketing product, and I filter through gravity, and there's a different product that you can promote. Most of the product, they have an affiliate page. On that, they have articles and review for that product. You can obtain, you can copy and paste it on here. But sometimes those affiliate pages doesn't have anything, just they only have an email swap. So in this case, what you can do, so I can show you one example here. This is one of the affiliate programs. It's called Affiliate Oma, and that you can see they have a bunch of articles are here. So you can copy and paste these articles into your Google site to make an article. This is one of the articles I copied directly from that. Now, most of the affiliate product here doesn't have that. They have an affiliate page, but they don't have a review inside that. So what you can do, find an affiliate product. Just, you can see in this case 12 minutes affiliate system. I just went into Google and type 12 minutes affiliate system review. There's a bunch of people writing review about that product because they are affiliate marketers. Those, you can see, this is one of the example. So they have a bunch of this is big articles. They entirely wrote about this product. So what you can do is very simple. You can go through this article and filter out, or you can summarize these articles. Or if we can't write it, if English is not your first language, what you have to do, copy that, and you can go to tool like SpinWriter. SpinWriter, you can change the entire article into new articles. SpinWriter is a paid tools which I am using it, but you can use any a bold, that free bold on online to do that. So what you have to do, copy and paste it on here, and it will automatically read that article for you. Then what you have to do, go to Google site here. This is your page, right? So it's a one page. You have to click this one for add new page. Here you can type, say, 12 minute affiliate program, something like that, right? So after you did that, click done, and the new page is open up. This is the page, this is the title. You can insert the articles. For this video, I'm gonna keep it simple. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy this paragraph only to show you how simple is that. So what you have to do now here, go back to that, insert textbook, and you're gonna do that, copy and paste the articles, right? After you did that, you can insert the button for your affiliate link. Click this one button, and you can provide a name. So what you do, learn how to make $1,000 a month as passive income, something like that. You had to give some example. Then what you have to do, go to ClickBank, click promote, get your affiliate link from ClickBank. Now this is your affiliate link. Copy that, go to your Google site, that insert that affiliate link here. That's it. Then drag it down, make it bigger, and put it on here, something like that. So after you've done that, what you have to do, click pages, click home button, and you can see in the home button there is no article, so the second article will not be there. So what you have to do, click this template. There's a different template that you can select. So you're gonna click this template, click topic name. So you're gonna say you're gonna delete that. You're gonna type 12 minutes affiliate program. So right after you did that, you're going to click link button, and this automatically gives that page for you. So what you do is you select that, this is the thing, select that, your page, apply that, and here again you can see, you can remove this part, something happens, so you remove that here. Now what you have to, you have to upload image. So click this button and you're going to select this one called select image, and here you're going to go to Google search. You can search make money online, something like that, or affiliate marketing, and it will bring a bunch of image. You can select any of those things. So I'm going with like this one. I'm going to click insert, and the image will be inserted on here. Now what you have to do, click publish, and your articles updated and published on your site. Now what you have to do, copy the link, go back your link, this is your link, copy this, go to and search it on URL that you can see your second articles uploaded on here. Now what you have to do, copy these same URLs, go to bit.ly, shorten the URLs. I already did that. This is my shortened URLs. If I copy this and paste it on here, you can see that, and this is my shortened version of my Google site review. Now you have to remember this, you write a review for a ClickBank product, in this case affiliate product on ClickBank on Google site. These are the site contain your affiliate link which you're gonna promote it and you're gonna make money. The important part is making this review on this site is very simple. It's getting the traffic is the hardest part. In order to do that, what you have to do, you have to give value for the customers. So for example, I can show you that this is my YouTube channels. I upload a video, short video, less than 50 seconds long. It's about 15 websites they can watch videos and earn money. There's 203 people get it. I published that video on April 2nd. Now remember this, when the short algorithm pick up this video, I'm going to get more views. I will put all the link in the description. They will join and I make money as a referral commission. So simple, right? So you're going to do the same thing. You're going to create a simple videos. Don't worry about articles, simple 1-minute videos, and you're going to upload it in a certain website where you're going to get free organic traffic. So you can create entire YouTube channels and upload these 1-minute videos on that, and you're going to put the link in the description, which is your Google site link on your description, so people click it and they can read the articles, they can buy a product, you can make money. So completely organic traffic. I'm going to show one more thing. This is my TikTok account. It's very small account, right? I upload that videos 8 hours ago that you can see here. I already have 69 followers, that's it. But you can see the analytic here. I nearly have 29 people read these videos. 29 people is not easy to get it, guys. So if 1 or 2 people click that link and it will take you to Google site, they can read the articles, any articles on that, and they can buy any affiliate products. So I can make commission like this one over and over again using free organic traffic. Now I'm going to show you how you can create this simple videos, guys. All you have to do is go to Google and type something similar to your product that you're promoting. So because I'm promoting affiliate marketing or make money online product, so I'm going to go to Google and simply gonna type make money online. These are the bunch of websites writing about 15 ways to 50 ways, 70 ways, something like that, right? I open bunch of these articles, summarize it. This is the articles. You can see 15 websites they can watch videos and earn money. Say there's a website example. I put the something like that at the end. Click this link and learn more about it, so I can drive traffic to my website. Again, I'm gonna use the tool Vietnamese. Here that you're gonna select this one. There's a new tool they added here to make a short video for YouTube. So I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna upload my script, which I already did that, and it will automatically generate the scene for me. They're gonna add the voiceover for me and everything. I just download that and upload it to all the social media. So I can upload that into YouTube, I can upload that into TikTok, I can upload that into Tumblr, I can upload that into Pinterest. That you can see here I am getting views and impressions. You can see here these are the real impressions and views and click for every single post I posted on here. So with only 500 followers, I had nearly getting around 4,000 monthly views from my Pinterest account, guys. That you can apply the same method with other social media, guys. So when you promote putting this Google site link on those social media won't plug that link because it's not a spam, because your affiliate link is actually inside that Google site link here. So you can build the entire review site for free using Google site. Then you can use create a simple videos or simple content in a video format, and you can promote that in all the social medias, and you can generate free organic traffic. From that you can convert that into paid customer and you can make money, guys. So I hope you understand this video. The basic idea of this video is you're gonna write you're gonna find an affiliate product you are interested in. You're gonna use the Google site to make a simple review site. Then you're gonna go to Google and find similar content on your affiliate product and make a simple content. Video format is best than the articles, and you're gonna make a simple 1-minute video. Then you're gonna upload that into YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Tumblr, any other social medias, all the social media available right now for you, and you can generate free organic traffic over and over again. From that you can convert that into paid customer and you can make a passive income from affiliate marketing every single month. So if you really like this video, leave a like in the at the bottom of the video. Also I put all the tools link in the description. If you don't want to use the spin writer, you can use the free version. If you don't want to use the Vietnam, you can get the 25% off. But if you don't want to use it, you can use alternative ways. I put the video link in the description. Go and check it out, the alternative way to make videos without using Vietnamese. So you can go and check it out, those videos, guys. I hope you understand this video. If you really like this video, leave a like, and until then, have a good day. See you next video, guys.